Guys, it's 9 p.m. right now, and I just got teleported to the latest version of the update. Let's go! Kinda lagging. Everyone's here! Is that me? Wait, no, we have the same outfit. Guys, this will be interesting. I'm so excited. Kinda nervous. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Guys! We have the new update right now. We have the new updates. Sorry for that. Someone's watching a video. You need... Damn! Between here. I managed to do that. That's a bit. Guys, you don't need to, because you just need the strength up here. Longer travel to the cove, but easier to get past. Oh, that is not easy, I repeat. Each door will lead to the same place. However, they are all different. Shortest travel cove, but hardest. Damn, I see that! Dang! This is a hype update. Bro, it's not even Saturday, but I ain't complaining. Pick my travel size and my difficulty. Read. Guys, so the best way is come up here. That is for all of you guys. Goodbye.